G'day YouTube, Down to Bricks here, and welcome to another Just Build It, where we unbox a set and build it in real time. Very excited for this one. Not only is it Star Wars, but it is a very cool vehicle, the Clone Turbo Tank. It's just an awesome looking vehicle, isn't it? So we're going to unbox this set and get stuck in, so let's have a look what we get on the box. We get all our minifigs here. Checking out the back. All the play features. And we even get a bit of suspension on it. Very cool. Can't wait to get stuck into this one. So let's do it. A very big build, this one, 900 odd pieces. So it will be a multi-part Just Build It. Not sure how many parts, but we will work that out. Alright, there is all the goodness inside the box. I've just dropped the box. Let me put it up here so we can have that in camera too. Beautiful. Okay. We get a bag of rims. We get bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, 5 and 6. So 6 bags plus the rims, and we get a pretty chunky instruction book, and it is inside a plastic cover, so that's good. I'm just trying to see if there's a sticker sheet that would be in here, but by looks of things, no stickers. Can that be real? 6, 5, 4, put them over here, 3, 2 and 1. So let's get the book open and have a look at that. Trying to see on the box for any stickers, but surely they got some sort of sticker. Alright, get into it finally. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, it's quite chunky, isn't it? So it is 129 pages of building instructions. Let's not wait any further. Let's get stuck in. I'll get you a little bit closer to the action in a second. Get all these bits out. There's quite a bit here just in bag 1. And let's get you down. And a little bit closer. Okay. We'll see if that's close enough. So we get to build our minifigs first, so let's get all the pieces. A couple of battle droids. Nothing special about these guys, is there? There's a head. Straight arm. Got a couple of blasters. Where are they? There's one. Oh, go in there. 2. Let me get my plate out. So On Battle Droid, he's not very exciting. You don't need to really see him, do you? As if you haven't seen a million of them before. No special markings, nothing special about them at all. And we have our Elite Corps Clone Trooper. Very, very cool looking minifig, this one. Very nice, isn't he? Let's get building. Are we close enough? Going a little bit closer maybe. Don't want to get too close because it's a big build. Okay, so we're looking for 1x4 plate. We put that on. That goes in the centre. And then a couple of angle brackets. My seat's a little bit squeaky, isn't it? There's this piece, here we go. Put a couple of studs on. And then we want some light bluish grey hinges. Hinge pieces, 1/2 of the hinge. There it is. And one of these pieces that steps down like so, and we lock that in with a 2x4 plate, some tan plates with the clip, and then the brackets that go the other way, one each side. We build in the little walker. A couple more of these brackets. And a 1x4 plate. And some grills in the olive. Such a cool colour, isn't it? I'll even just get us a little bit closer while we're still a bit small. Building small. How's that? Now where was I up to? We need a couple of these little slopes. And a couple of studs. And then a 2x3 plate. And let's build his legs. So for that we need an angled plate. Where's the other one? There it is. So the little hinge with the vertical finger, and then we put this on like so, and the brick with hinge on two sides. It's got the two fingers and the receiver. Well, that's the receiver and the one finger, I should say. And slope, that's one leg. Then we do the same thing on the other side. And let's put his legs on. Getting a stand up, there we go. Excuse me. And take this little hitch piece, and we've got a stud shooter. Put the throwing mechanism in, and that goes on there. Oh, that's cool. So that piece is another cool piece. I like these plates with the bar on each end. Cheesy. There it is. Another grill. Put the plate with 2 clips on. Flip him over. Plate with 1 clip in black. And the steering, where is it there? It goes like that. And then that goes on there. That's cool. Alright, we need this piece, a couple of these, and now we're going to put in a 3 long light bluish grey bar and a 4 long black bar. Put this Technic piece over them, and then we put this guy on like that. It goes on the back. A stud shooter, a stud for the shooter. There we go. And there he is. And that is very cool. That looks awesome. Big fan already. And now it's time to start on the tank itself. Take a 4x4 plate and these big Hua Technic bricks. Have a look at that. A couple of them each side. And already we're getting close to a zoom out. Straight up. We put 4 1x2 black plates on, and then we put studs on them as well in black. Now start locking it all together, give it a bit of support. Use a grey 1x4, 1, 2 and 3, on like that, and then some tan 2x4s, and in between there a couple of trans blue studs, 1x1 rounds, and on this end we use the dark bluish grey 2x6s. The spaces here are black 1x2 plates, another 2x6, more black 1x2s, and then a tan, dark tan 2x4. The dark tan 1x1 and 2 1x4s. So one goes there and one goes up this end, and we also put a couple more dark tan plates in. There we go, there's the other one. Yep. Take one of these and we start putting these little pins with the studs on them. So that goes like that on there. We do another one for the other side, like that. And then, this is going to start locking it together. We use these guys here, and they go in like that. 4 of those. And then we're going to put one of these pins in the back, and we just push him in a little bit for now. Just set that down. Let's put it where we can keep an eye on it, right there. Take this beam and we push these extra long pins through. Blue ones, tan ones. Little yellow washer on an axle, and that goes through there, through the center, and then we're going to hold that in place like that. Okay, let's just try that again, because they give you the measurement of it. Can you see what I'm doing there? Yep. Okay, that's close enough. There we go. That's a little bit out, but anyway, we will soon find out. Make another one of these. We need 2 of these guys. A couple more tan 2x4s, and some of these pins. Put that on like that. So we've got the brick underneath, like so. We're going to do 2 of those. Now, let's put them on. So that's going to go like so, in there, and in there. It is sticking through a little bit, so I should have just left it how I had it, eh? Doing it by eye sometimes is the best way. And now we flip that over, and that just goes in there. And starting to see what's going on here, don't you? Alright, 4 more of these, and that's going to lock those pieces on, just making it nice and strong. This guy goes in there, and we need 1 of these and 4 of those. 4 of them. They just go like that. Put that plate on, and a couple more 2x4s. These big long plates, start locking all that together. We're getting close to the end of bag 1. We've got these tan bricks So they're going to go. Okay, I've made a mistake. I've made a mistake. Not paying attention. Yes, I've made a big mistake. Stay with me. Okay, now we're back into it. That's got to go like that. Got to make sure these 6 long plates are at the front. Let's call that the front. I'm going to try all this again. Just got to go one back. Oh, I'm off to a flyer, aren't I, guys? Put these back on. That's right, easy fixed, eh? Easy fixed. Now we can just put that whole piece back on. There we go, all fixed. Now back to here. So I've got to put those in, and then these inverted 2x2s on each side. Like so. We've got a couple more plates here, so we're going to put the 1x like that and then the 2x like that, and that is bag 1. Here is bag 2. So let's get in and do bag 2s. So what I was saying, there was 6 bags, so maybe we can do this in a 3-part, 2 bags per part. A lot of small pieces there. Oh, there's one little piece left in the bag. Pull out the bigger plates, makes it a bit easier to find stuff. So I've got to find another one. There it is. So that's what we need for this part, for this step. Keep turning it around. I'm going to make a mistake again, aren't I, if I keep doing that. Tiles on, grills, another tile, and then we whack these on. It's just a very cool build, the turbo tank, very cool vehicle. Big fan from the first time I saw it. And these big plates on the back. Now we need a 2x4. We need a a black grill, which is there. 2 tan jumpers, 2 1x4s, and a 2x2 black. That goes right up there. The jumpers go here, and the tan plate goes there, and the dark bluish grey 1x4s go there. A couple of tiles, these ones, a couple of jumpers, and the tile is going to step up from that one on that plate. Same with the other side, and then we're going to put these 2 jumpers like that. Now, we take this and this one. We put them like that. And the dark tan plate like so. And that goes up this end. There we go, flip it, and up this end I'm going to put a couple of these off the back here. We'll find another one, and then we're going to put this plate across like that. I'll hold them there. Need some clear 1x1 round tiles, and then we need a little headlight plate, and they're going to go on there. I'll find another one. There we go, and like that. Go on that side, and like that. And to lock that all in, we use these slopes, these inverted slopes, and then we lock those in with some plates, 1x2 plates. Take a 2x6, these modified plates with the bar, 2 of those, one each side, tan 1x6, and then hold that together with a couple more plates like that. And then that goes like that. And again, with the inverted slopes here, and again with the black plates. Looking for one more. There it is. Now here we go with some weapons. So we're using the 3 long bar and these pieces here like that. Then we're going to slide them into there, and then we're going to put a couple of these on the end like that, and we're going to make 2 of those. Black bar, it is good to be building Star Wars. Got quite a few Star Wars sets. I don't know when I'll be putting this up on my channel, so who knows when you're seeing it, but I'm actually building it a week and a half before the Rogue One sets come out, and I've still got quite a few Star Wars sets I haven't built yet before I even get to them. So whatever I haven't got built by then will be getting put aside while the Rogue One sets get built. Just going to get stuck into those for you guys straight up. So here we go with this one, and a couple of the clips like that. and a couple of these. Probably sometimes I'm actually probably just holding that out of the shot or whatever. I'm looking at the instructions and just sort of guessing where I'm holding that, so I apologise if I'm missing the camera at times. And where are we? This guy here. And a plate. Got 3 pins to put in here. Yes, it's pretty exciting. I've just watched some of the little ads or little footage that Lego does with their sets, showing what each set does, a little like 20-30 second clips of all the sets, and yeah, very excited. They look great. I think they look great anyway. Put those there. I've got to make sure they're down a bit so you can get them on. And then one of these goes down like that. And that is going to go down on there, like so. And then we can actually push this in there, so it's going to go into that bar that's there. So let me just push that through. Sometimes I just don't want to go. Give him a little wobble. There it goes. And that's locked in now. That's not coming out. Not in a hurry. Now I've got a tile, 2x4 tile, which is going to go there, and then a 4 long little wall element piece like so. A couple of these slopes go straight off on there, and sort of build this up now. Yeah, so probably by the time you're seeing this, the Force Friday will be well and truly over, and everyone's probably a bit talked out on the Rogue One sets. At this stage I'm pretty excited for it. So it's going to be lots of Star Wars. Lots of Star Wars. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Have I got everything? Yep. That goes on top here. And where does it hang? Yeah, it goes back like that. So, there we go. Is it in over there? Not really. Now it is. Got a big tile, goes right across. A grill goes on the back like that, and a black cheese slope goes in there like that. There we go. We'll take these and facing like that, we're going to put the pin in like so, and then that's going to go, where's that go? Like this, so that, oh, dropped it, that's going to go in there. that's got to go in there. There we go. And then we want to do the same thing this side. Yeah, I think I've got like 3 or 4 Star Wars sets still sitting there. And I did receive a haul today. And you'll definitely see that long before you see this video. So I guess I can talk about it. Oh, we've got. It's not a Lego set if you don't have a cup. At least it's a clear cup. You know, normally it's a red one. Let's put that in there. They're pretty fancy. You get a cup and everything. 4 of these. So I got a set that I really wanted to get, but I sort of ruled it out because it's a exclusive set and it's very expensive. So I'd ruled it out, and we take a couple of these. Yeah, it's the Rebels Combat Frigate. Because it's exclusive, it's a crazy price. Toys R Us exclusive. But Toys R Us, I'm going to have to concentrate a little bit here to get this right. Take one of these, so stay with me. So Toys R Us had a 1 weekend only 23% off voucher for VIPs to celebrate their 23rd birthday. So I snapped it up, got that set, so that was delivered today. So that's like that, and then I have to put it on these jumpers down in there. Why isn't that? That's not going down. What's going on? That's not through enough. And then we're going to put it down in here on that jumper there. Now let's do another one of these. Yeah, so pretty excited about that. So I managed to get it for one down to like 153 something or other, and $10 shipping. So still not a cheap set, but that makes it a lot better than 200. And we put these axles right through like that. So yet another Star Wars set to build. Right. Looking from the side here, I've got to put these axles with the stopper on. They have to go right through. Two of these, we're getting close now. And we got to put a little jumper, sorry, a cheesy. Put the cheesy on first on this side, like that, and like that. Put this 2x4 and these rounded slope pieces, And that is it. That's bag 2 complete. So there we go. That's what we're up to. Here's a sneak peek at bag 3. So this has certainly been long enough. This is probably what they're all going to be. About much the same, I'd imagine. 3, 4, 5, 6. Even the last one might be a little bit longer. They look like to be a bit bigger bags. But thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Just Build It part 1 of the Clone Turbo Tank. And we'll be back real soon with part 2. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And stay subscribed or subscribe. And we'll be able to watch lots more Just Build It videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching guys. Bye for now.